I guess I have this one coming. Karma's a freaking bitch, isn't it? I'm deserving of this. All those years when I was young and I would make fun of my parents or grandparents or neighbors or whoever leaving their house before 5 o'clock on their way to go eat. Here I am, older than dirt, and it is 4:46, and I'm starving. So you know what it is, pizza time. I only got one burrito tortilla left. Pop the burrito, bust the burrito's balls so it doesn't give you bubble trouble. 2 tablespoons of sauce. I like sauce. I could put pizza sauce on my spaghetti. The only thing I got in the refrigerator is cheddar. Mild cheddar. This was kind of by request or by suggestion, you might say. Everybody's favorite dad, FJ Dad, who drives a fake Jeep, suggested it, said this is one of his favorites. Oven is preheated. And I'm serious, I'm starving, man. So I'm pretty sure that Dad said cheddar and mushrooms. Yeah, man, I like my pepperoni. This is a lot of cheddar. I gotta be honest with you. Okay, let me show you this. That cheddar is gonna be all over the pan. This is why you're gonna be glad you got the skillet, because it's gonna maintain the grease and the cheese and everything inside the pan. All right, let's get some color on here. Okay, take a look before it goes in the oven. Looks like a lot of mushrooms. That's because you've been eating at Domino's for too long. No steel, or what do they call it? A peel. You don't need a pizza peel because your skillet is your peel. And here we go. You can hear it already on the pan. Fine. Alexa, give me a 9-minute timer.
9-minute timer started.
Bubbling, boiling. This is why you go 450 degrees. Here. Can you hear that? You see what that cheese is doing right there? It's coming over the edge, it's hitting the pan, and it's gonna caramelize. Mmm. Alexa, stop. Okay, before I take it off the pan, I want you to see it, to believe it. It's bubbling, it's melty, it's gooey, it's crispy on the edges. Ooh, it's heavy too. Grease. That's what the cheddar does. The cheddar does have more grease than mozzarella. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it while it's hot and let some of that grease drain out between the slices as it cools down a little bit. Crust looks good as always. Okay, a little bit of grease we saved on the pan. Order up. Okay, let's see if we can get a peek at the crust. Undercarriage, look at that. Oh, crispy. Duh. Mmm. Good cheese pool. Man, this tastes good. Look at that. With a caramelized edge. Oh, that's so good right there. You would eat shredded cheddar on a taco or on a cheeseburger. Cooking it just releases that grease or separates it from the solids. Whether you eat it solid or you eat it cooked, it's still gonna make a turd. So you're still eating the same shit that came in the package. So don't get so concerned about it. The air you're breathing is worse than anything you could possibly put in your body by way of your mouth. All right, man. Go get you some tortillas in a skillet. Go make your own. See you. 10 after 5 o'clock, and I'm done eating. And I only ate a little bit more than half of my pizza. Let's see, I cut it into, no, I only ate half of it. So I was starving before, and now I'm full. Ah!